Hello again, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to do something a little crazy, or attempt to do something crazy. I'm going to see if I can get better articulation on my front end here of my lawnmower, because all we have is this amount of play or travel. I mean, it's just not a lot. And what I'm thinking of doing here is notching it out. Just slice it right here all the way up, like here all the way up, bend that out or cut it off, and it would effectively bring my travel all the way up to here. I'll just have to do something with this little bump stop here. I don't know if this will be affected or not. Looks like it might still clear once I get it notched out. So without further ado, I guess I'll better get at it, huh? So, what did that give us? Oh, I can't go up any higher because I'm hitting on the jack stand over here. The axle is, yeah, so you can see that. Anyway, it's hidden. All right, that's not working out too bad so far. Keep on plugging. Okay, I have determined or found out that the axle is actually hitting right here on this piece right here. It's not allowing it to come on down. So what I'm going to do is whack it off. See if that'll help. All right, that's removed. Let's see what we got to travel now. Looks like it might still be hitting on that corner right there. I don't know. And there we go. This is going to be awesome, guys. Oh yeah. And gotta love the rain. It's really hindering things today, but I'm moving forward. Okay, the travel on this is causing the rod right here to hit the frame. So now I need to notch this out so it will clear the frame and still have the travel and be able to turn and everything. Moving forward. All right, got it notched out, and we have clearance. The rod is like barely touching right there. I'm gonna ride with it. All right, just need to finish up this side. Be ready to test her right out. Alrighty, it's all cut out, back together. We are ready to test. Good so far. I'd say that's pretty good travel. All right. It handles these pumps so much easier now. The ride is so much better. Woo. Try it out again. Nope. Come on, let's go. If you liked the video, please give her a thumbs up for me. And I appreciate you watching. Until the next one, later taters.